In this video, I teach you battery and coil ignition system. Ignition system means how the combustion is initiated in a internal combustion engine. So there is a number of way to start the ignition in a IC engines. So in this video we understand the battery and coil type ignition system, its component, working. So most of the IC engine use the battery and coil ignition system of contact breaker types. Okay, so this is the battery and this is here the clamp and the spring loaded contact breaker is used. That's why it is called as the contact breaker type. The arrangement shown in this figure is for a 4-cylinder SI engine which has 4 spark plug receiving current at different time through the distributors. Means this system is used in SI engine, not in the CI engines. And here the 4 different spark plug, 1 2 3 4, that means that is a different 4-cylinder is there. So in a 4 cylinders the spark is done at a different time. Okay, means power stroke is different in every cylinders, that is depend on the firing order. The essential components of the battery ignition system are, first one is the battery. So here you see this is the battery. Second component is the ignition coil with ballast resistors. So this is the second component. Third component is the ignition switch. So here it is the ignition switch. It is a switch just like as the at our home for starting the fan and starting the tube lights and TV. So when it is start connected, then the current is flow from the battery. It is known as ignition switch. Next is the contact breaker. Here you see it is the contact breaker. And next is the condenser. So here it is the condenser. And distributors. Here it is the distributor. So next we understand the every component in the details and how the battery and coil ignition system is work. First component is the battery. Battery is a electrochemical device which act as an accumulator. Means it is a electrochemical device. So inside the battery some chemical is there and this chemical is stored the electricity. It is charged by a generator or an alternator when the engine is running. So battery is charging by the engine of the vehicles. Okay, when the bike or car is run, at that time the alternator is run and alternator is charged the battery. The required electrical energy for functioning of the system is provided by battery of 6 or 12 volts. Means this battery have capacity of 6 or 12 volts. Two type of battery are used for SI engines, namely the lead acid battery. It is suitable for light commercial vehicles, and another is the alkaline battery. It is suitable for heavy duty vehicles like the bus, tractors and that. And the lead acid batteries is suitable for light commercial vehicle, means it is a small trucks and that, and the car it is used as lead acid battery. Next component is the ignition switch. So here you see it is the ignition switch. Battery is connected to the primary winding. So in this ignition coil there is a two type of winding is there. There is a primary winding and secondary windings. Okay, so battery is connected with the primary windings, and in between this battery and the primary windings the ignition switch is provided. With the help of ignition switch, the ignition systems can be turned on or off at will. Means whenever the necessary we on this ignition switch, at that time the current is flow from battery to primary winding, and if we off this ignition switch, then the current is not flow from battery to this device. Okay, means when our car is stopped, this ignition switch is not on. Okay, when we start our bike, the ignition switch is on and current is start to flow from battery to the primary winding. Next component is the ignition coil. So here you see this is the ignition coil, volta component. Ignition coil consists of primary winding having a 100 to 200 turns. Means in this primary winding, here you see this in the figure, that is a different turn is there. So these turns is 100 to 200 turns. While the secondary winding, means this winding is formed by the relatively very thin insulated wire having about 20,000 turns. Means it is 100 times more than the primary windings. On a primary winding that is a 200 turns, then a 20,000 turn is on a secondary winding. Next is both the windings are mounted in a soft iron core. Means I show you this another image. So here it is a one soft iron core. Here it is look like the pencils. On the same core, both the winding is wound. Means inside you see that is the light color, it is a primary windings, and this one dark is the secondary winding. Both the windings are mounted on a soft iron core. A ballast resistor is provided in a series with the primary winding to regulate the primary currents. So here you see this is the ballast type resistors. Okay, so it is connected in series with the primary winding. So you can see that this is the primary winding and here it is wound on the primary winding, not on the secondary windings. It helps in preventing the damage to the spark coil from the overheating in the case of engine is operated for a long period at a low speed, or in a case the breaker remains in a closed positions. Means when the engine is idly runs, at that time there is a possibility of damage of the spark coils. So this ballast resistor is avoid the overheatings in a case of engine is idle for a long period of times. Next is the contact breakers. So here you see this is the contact breakers. Okay, its name is suggests that it's make the contact or not make the contact. The contact breaker is means it's break the contact. The contact breaker is consist of the contact point. Means this camp, okay, make the known as also the contact points. Camshaft on which the camp is mounted. So in the center here it is a camshaft. On this camshaft the camp is mounted. Now this camp shape is the 4 because we have the 4-cylinder engine. If we use a 3-cylinder engine, the here triangular camp is used. If they have a 5 cylinders, then the camp have a pentagon shape. If this engine is 6 cylinders, then shape is the hexagonal camp. Okay, so it is depend on the number of cylinder which is used to break and make the contact between the contact points. Means this camshaft is used to make or break the contact between this contact point. These two are the contact points. Okay, so right now it is not connected. Okay, when this camp is rotated, at that time these two contact points are come in the contact. So what happen when it's make the contact or not make the contact, that we discuss into the during the working parts. When the contact breaker points are closed, means right now it is in open positions. Close means that both are come into the contact. At that time the electric current flow when they are open and the circuit is broken and the flow current stops. In a 4-cylinder engine, camp has a 4 corners by which the contact breaker will open and close 4 times in a 1 revolutions of the camp. Means when this contact breaker is open 4 times, okay, when it is again rotated 90 degree, then it is again open. Okay, next is the condensers. The condenser terminal is connected to one side of contact breaker. Means it is connected with the one side of the contact breakers and the casing to the another side of the contact breakers, and usually earth so that the condenser remains in parallel with the contact breaker. Means these contact breakers and the condensers are connected in a parallel, and it is also connected with the earthing. The condenser helps in a quick collapsing of the magnetic fields. Means it is used to break the magnetic field. If the condenser is not provided, the current will be re-established, which will result into a heavy arc across the contact breakers point, and the energy of the ignition coils will be consumed by the arc, which may burn the contact breaker points. Next is the distributors. So here you see it is the distributors. The distributor consists of distributor arm. So here you see it is the distributor arm. So this part is known as the distributor arm. The arm is mounted on a camshaft. So it is connected with the camshaft and is rotated at the half speed of the crankshaft in a case of 4-stroke engine. Means we have the 4-stroke engine, at that time this arm is rotated at the half speed of the crankshaft. The functions of the distributors is to distribute high tension current to the individual spark plug as the rotor presses it and the contact breaker is open in the correct sequence of the firing order at the correct times. Means when this contact point is open, okay, means here we open this 4 times. So when the contact breaker is open, at that time the high frequencies of current is supplied to these distributors, and distributor is supplied to this 1, 2, 3 or any one of the spark plugs. Okay, it is depend upon the firing orders to supply which of current to the which of the spark plugs. So where it is understand deeply in the during the workings, the distributors includes the contact breaker points and the mechanisms for automatically advancing or retarding the spark timings according to engine speeds and vacuum in the inlet manifolds. Now this is a working. A cam mounted on a camshaft cause the contact breaker points to open and close. Means main thing is operate from this camshaft. Okay, here you see that it is a cam is mounted on this camshaft, and what is the functions of these camshafts? To make the contact between these two contact points, either close the contacts. Okay, right now what you seeing, these contact points are open. Okay, so we understand when the contact points are open. Okay, so when the primary circuit is open by the contact breaker, the magnetic field is collapsed, means there is a no magnetic field is there. So here 4 point is provided, means when this contact point is open, at that time the high frequency current is produced in a secondary winding and it is supplied to these distributors, and then distributor is supplied to the any one of the cylinders. Means one thing is to be clear that when this contact breaker is open, at that time spark is happen inside the cylinders. If this no contact breaker is closed, at that time no spark is happen inside the cylinders. So electromotive force is induced in the secondary, means when the electromotive force is induced when these contact points are open. Okay, so we understand the point of the when the contact breaker is open. Okay, so electromotive force is induced in the secondary, means the secondary windings, which is directly proportional to the rate at which the magnetic field of the core collapse, which is turns depends on the rate of decreasing of the primary current. A condenser is connected across the contact breaker in a primary circuit. So here this is a primary circuit. With the primary circuit, this contact breaker is connected and condenser is also connected with this primary circuit. This help to collapse the field very rapidly. This help means which help? Condenser is help to collapse the field very rapidly by absorbing part of the energy of the magnetic fields, which is thrown back into the primary winding and produce a very high voltage in the secondary. Means this contact, when the contact breaker is open, so magnetic field is break here and that is a high current is produced in secondary windings, and this is supplied to the distributors, and this EMF in the secondary is sufficient to ignite the charge by producing the spark. Okay, now when this contact breaker is closed, at that time the electromotive force produced is not enough. Okay, so no spark is produced. So spark is produced only when these contact points are open. Now if the 3 cylinder is there, then we use the 3 cams. Okay, that is a 3 times contact breaker is open. If we use the 5 cylinders, then the pentagon is provided, so 5 times this contact is open and 5 times spark is produced in a different cylinders. So as the magnetic field collapse rapidly, means when this magnetic field is collapsed, and magnetic field is collapsed when these contact breakers are open, at that time high voltage of order of 10,000 to 20,000 watt is induced. This high voltage current from secondary winding is supplied to individual spark plug through the distributors. Means high voltage created here is supplied to the spark plug through these distributors. This process is repeated continuously when contact breaker open and close, and every time high voltage generated, which is distributed by the distributor and supplied to the each spark plug according to the firing